Hello, welcome to Pratham's YouthNet program. While you must be in touch with your friends and family through WhatsApp every day, but as part of the Digital Readiness course, today we will learn how to make better use of WhatsApp for online communication and learning. To begin with, you will have to download WhatsApp on your mobile from Google Play Store. Type WhatsApp in the search bar and complete the process of installing the app. Then accept the terms and conditions and enter your phone number and the verification code messaged to you. Update your profile name and photo. Now you are ready to use WhatsApp. Educational resources in the form of posters, videos, GIFs, PDFs will be shared with you frequently in the WhatsApp group. You have to express your views in the group and acknowledge each post by the mentor by replying OK, done, seen, etc. Apart from this, you can also share your views on others' comments. You have to actively participate in activities and discussions. Watch this video to know how to create a new group in WhatsApp. Click New Group and add desired people from your contacts to form a new group. Then you can do either of these two actions. Swipe the selected message to the right and type your reply, or click on the left arrow on the top and type your reply. Tap on the tagged part of the reply to see the original message. To reply to a message, tap and hold the message. To address a single person, type @ followed by their name and type your message. Press and hold the mic button to record your voice. After recording the message, release the mic button. You can listen to the message by playing the audio. To share a photo or any other file, tap on the attach icon. You can start a group voice call or video call by tapping on the voice or video icon in the upper right corner. You can add more people to the call by clicking on Add Participants. Do not overuse emoji or GIFs in a professional setting. Follow the rules and respect each other during the course. Hope you got to know WhatsApp better through this tutorial. Thank you.